Hello everyone, Clinton here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to convert your audio into a text file. In my previous video, I made a video on how you can be able to convert your text into an audio file. You can actually just check it. I'll be dropping a link up here. Alright guys, so without wasting much of your time, let's just go into this tutorial. It's going to have a few steps where you can be able to use the software. So just get ready because you'll be downloading just one software. Alright guys, let's go into this tutorial right now. Okay, so for the first chapter here, I'm going to be showing you guys one of these free software that comes with your Windows. It's called the Windows Dictation tool. So with this tool, you can actually just try to listen to whatsoever input is going into your system, and automatically the Windows dictation tool is just going to automatically transcribe that into maybe your Microsoft Word or any other software that you're going to be using. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. All you have to do is to hit the Windows plus H on your keyboard, and as you can see, automatically it just came up. And as I'm talking, it's not going to actually do anything until I go into a program that actually uses Word. So I can go into either this Notepad, or I can go into the Microsoft Word. So for here now, I'm just going to go into the Microsoft Word. But before I do that, I'm going to show you guys something. If you're using this for the first time, it's going to bring up an option telling you that you should actually set something up. Just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take you over. It's going to take you over to speech share, and normally this place is going to be off. All you have to do is just to click and turn it on. All right, that's just about that. So once you're done with all those, stuff, all you have to do is to go over into a program that you want to be using. Okay, just going to delete this. All right, so I'm just going to hit this microphone, and from here it's listening. Okay, as you can see, it's just transcribing whatever I'm saying. All right, that's how easy it can be using the Microsoft Dictation tool. Okay guys, I'm just going to go over to the next part of this tutorial. Or this one, you're going to be making use of a software, and this is a virtual audio. This is a virtual audio device. It's called the VB audio software. So I'm going to be dropping the link of this in the description, so you can actually just go over there and download it. Okay, so what you have to do, I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step on how to install this. What you have to do first is just to hit the download, and once you hit the download, automatically it's going to download the zip file. It's going to be a zip file. You can just go into and show in the folder, and it's going to open up this for you. Then you have to extract this. You're going to extract it just to this part, so you can actually find it here. And now we have it here. Just open it up, and once you open it up, go down to where it says VB cable setup x64.exe. Don't use this one. You just have to go here and hit it, and once you have to run this as an administrator. Actually run as administrator. So when you do that, okay, now we got this nice interface. You just click on install driver. Actually, it's just a driver, because if you install it, you won't be seeing the software on your desktop background. So yeah, congratulations, successful. Okay, once you're done with that, I'm going to show you guys on how you can be able to set this up with an easy way. Okay, now we can actually close this up, and I'm going to be telling you guys on how you can be able to set up this virtual software. You have to go into your settings, and you have to go back to home. If you're not there, okay, click on system. Once you click on system, go down to sound. Once you're in the sound, okay, automatically it just fix itself. Or in case your own doesn't automatically set up itself, you have to just go over here and choose output. You have to put the cable input. Okay, it's not even showing in this option. It's not showing in this option actually. Then for the input, your input is going to be okay, now it's showing other options. Your input is going to be the cable output of the VB audio virtual cable. All right guys, so with this setup now, as you can see now, my microphone is not going to be working here. So I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to go about this. So let's say you find a video and you want to actually transcribe the audio or something that you're actually listening to. It's going to be a file or a video or whatsoever after you have set it up. So as you can see here now, I have this video, and if I want to get the audios that was being said in this video to be a text, all I have to do now is just to open up my Microsoft Word. Okay, I'm just gonna try and minimize this so you can see. Okay, and I'm just gonna take this maybe to this side, and I'm gonna minimize this one. Okay, so now we have now we have these two just right in here. All right, so this is how I can go about it. Okay, I'm just gonna close this up. All right, that's perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna clear this up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hit my Windows plus H. So, and I'm just gonna go ahead and play this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on this Microsoft document. So it's gonna read that, okay, I want to use it in this part. Then once I do that, I have to click on this mic. So now it's just listening to everything in the video. As you can see, there is no output to this audio. It's outputting automatically to that software plugin. So it's just doing the work there for me. All right guys, so this is just how easy it can be. This is how easy it can be. I don't know why sometimes it just keeps on stopping, but I guess this is a very good way to go about getting your audio to a text. Okay, I'm just gonna stop that. I'm just gonna stop that, and I'm gonna close this up. So I'm gonna show you guys the last method on how I usually go about this, so that is kind of easy for me. Okay, let's assume I'll go on YouTube right now. Let's go into YouTube, and you find a video. You want to actually use the transcript. You want to use the transcript because that is already automatically the audio was already automatically transcribed to a text for you. This is how I usually go about it. Let's assume, okay, let's just pick this video. Let's pick this video. And once I pick that, I'm not gonna play this. I'm gonna pause it there. Okay, this is how to. I'm gonna put this on full screen so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, guys. So all you have to do now is just to come over to this section where you can see these 3 dots here, and you can actually just wait. I'm gonna pause this ad playing here. You can actually just click on this part, and you can see show transcript. This is a very easy way that YouTube provided for us to get a transcript. Just go ahead and click on transcript, and automatically you can see the transcript that was used in this video right from the beginning. You get? So from here now, this was actually what was being said in this video. It's everything that was being said. So for you to remove these numbers attached here, you can just go ahead and just you can actually even search for a keyword. Like let's assume you want to search for something like now. As you can see this automatically, just go ahead and just type it here, and I think it's going to take you it's going to merge it with this time frame where that was being said. Okay guys, so if you want to actually remove these numbers that is just beside it, you can go ahead and click on this and toggle the timestamps. As you can see, it's just gonna be just the transcript alone. All right guys, so this is just everything about this video. All right guys, thank you for watching that video. If you find the video really interesting, or it helped you in one way or the other, just go ahead and give the video a like, and you can also drop a comment in the comment section. You can also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate any of these. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Have a good day.